I start to sail on these ocean waves. Nobody knows how to find us. It's turning out to be a perfect day.
Hello my dear foodies, welcome to the second vlog ever. First of all, thank you guys. I literally was not expecting the amount of response I got on my first vlog. It really blew my mind away. So let me keep the bottle aside. Thank you my dear foodies for your support, and it was that support that made it possible that I am holding the camera again and I am going to shoot the second vlog. So vlog का तो ऐसा है, आज का topic will be I'm going to show you my sneaker collection. Why my sneaker collection? Because see, you might have seen many sneaker collection videos, but मेरे sneakers जो है ना, they are not the 10, 20, 30, 40,000 वाले sneakers. They are like really affordable as I'm a college student. So this collection would really be helpful for all the college going students out there watching this vlog instead of studying. So before I show you guys the shoes, एक simple rule is that सारे sneakers except for one, सारे shoes की price is only between rupees 1000 to 2000. So yeah, that's very important. Pricing is very important because this is a student sneaker collection video, not a professional NBA star sneaker collection video. So yeah, 1000 to 2000 के बीच में होंगे हर एक shoes. I'll tell you guys about all the shoes and I'll also tell you guys about from where I got them, and if I remember the price, I'll tell you the exact price also. Okay guys, so shoe number 1 is from NBA, and this is a brand that's available on Myntra, so you can go and shop. They have a very wide collection. Like, I am surprised how many shoes do you guys have. So yeah, NBA ka collection is available on Myntra. So these are the mid-tops. I call them mid-top, high-top, yeah, mid-tops. So I have worn all of these shoes, so don't expect a sparkling brand new condition on any of the shoes. So yeah, let me show you guys. These are the NBA shoes, which are the Washington Wizards, जो टीम का नाम है. I really like the way these shoes look because see, there's white, there's blue, and then there is some suede on this. I hope you guys can see. So yeah, this is the first shoe, one of my favorites among the collection. NBA Washington Wizards high tops. Shoe actually second, third, and fourth. All these three shoes are from this brand called Forza. You might remember it with Tiger Shroff on the cover. So this is basically a brand by Lifestyle. It's their in-house brand. So these three shoes were like really cheap. I got there was some sale going on in Lifestyle, not Lifeline. There was a sale going on in Lifestyle. So वहाँ पर I got there was this offer where you could get 3 shoes for around 22 or 2400. I don't remember exactly. And yes, I am sweating because if I turn the fan on, you guys won't be able to hear me. So struggles, मैंने भी बहुत struggle किया है. So okay guys, so these three shoes are from Forza. The first ones are simple grey sneakers. A must have. You need to have grey sneakers. With this accent of white, they look really amazing. So these, along with some, yes you guessed it, white, which no more look white because it's lockdown, I'm sitting at home, so obviously I'm not taking good care of these shoes. एक बार साफ करके डब्बे में रख दिया था, but then after so many days I'm taking it out. So these shoes I have customized them a little bit. I just wrote something. So yeah, these are plain white sneakers, which are obviously another must, with a little bit of velvet blue accent on them. These are also from Forza. The good thing is Lifestyle is now delivering at home, so you can order it online and get them. And the other shoes are the ones that I wear as a daily wear. Dabba khali hai. These are the charcoal grey slip-ons. Very comfortable shoes. Like, I've been wearing these to college for every day, and my timings are like from morning 8 to evening 4:30. And I've been wearing them for a few months now. I mean, lockdown के पहले for a few months, 2-3 months I guess. अभी तक तो there's no complaint. Charcoal grey. They have this knitted kind of texture on them. Oh, the fifth shoe. These are not sneakers. These are trekking boots. They are from, yes, the one and only Woodland. Dun-dun-dun. These were actually gifted to me by one of my best friends, and these shoes cost a whopping 6,000 rupees. So I'm just showing you because I have these. They don't go with the theme of the video. These are like super heavy shoes. I'll weigh them and let you know how much each shoe is. It's like एक टायर को कट करके तो उसका सोल बनाया गया है. So yeah, Woodland, 6,000 rupees. Struggle. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, sixth shoes. These shoes I don't remember from where I got them because I was just browsing Instagram and randomly this thing showed up, and I liked the pattern, so I just ordered it. This costed me only around 770 rupees, so let's take it 800 rupees. But the shoe, because see, one thing about me you guys might not know, is that I really like funky shoes, like funky sneakers. So this shoe comes under that category, and that is why I liked it. And I'm going to get a towel because I'm sweating a lot. So let me show you guys the funky shoes. They are still in the plastic. I wore them quite a lot. I wore them like 5 or 6 times. So yeah, these are one of another favorite among my collection. These are like super funky, and they costed me around 770 or 800 rupees something. Like so good, the texture and the pattern and the material. There's no complaint. This price point pe I couldn't have got better shoes. Done 7. डब्बे की कंडीशन बहुत बुरी है, but then trust me, I got it like this. Myntra, you suck. These are another NBA shoes. Yes, very bright color. By now you guys might know how much I like funky and bright colors. These are like really light, very light shoes. And the pattern, if you look closely, there is this camo on the front mesh, and there is this dust on the side. Okay, so there is the camo on the front mesh, and this is I don't know what we call this, some material, but okay, this thing is like super comfortable. And the colors, the bright blue, and on that there is this contrasting bright orange. I love it. I love these shoes. New York! I really want to go to New York for New Year's someday. And the good thing about this is like even lace ke upar you have this NBA branding. I'm pretty sure you can't see that because I shoot with my camera, my phone camera. #struggle. So yeah, these are another pair of NBA shoes that I got. The price was a bit high, but then I got them during the end of season sale that happens on Myntra once a year, I guess. So I got this for around 1700 rupees. Worth. Struggle. Next shoes. 3, 4. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Shoe number 8. That means only the last one is left, and that is my absolute favorite. So I've kept it for last. These shoes I got from Rivir.com. RIVIR.com. Why not? So these shoes took a lot of time to deliver. They were supposed to deliver in 1 week, and it took like 1 month. So that is a very bad sign. So Rivir shoes, they have a few like. Why I ordered this was Rivir ke patterns are na, if you go to their website Rivir.com, they have like such funky patterns. I fell in love the first time I saw these shoes. Okay, sorry. So I got these. These are like the Converse, you know, the usual Converse that people wear. All Stars ki tarah hai. So these are canvas shoes. I really like the print. Sky blue ke upar, it's like there is this cute penguin and there is this polar bear. Both of them are wearing shades. I hope you guys can see, and then there is this small sun over here, and the comfort is outstanding. I got them for around 1700 or 1500, not sure. There is some coupon for the first time buyers. So I got these shoes for around 17 or 1500 rupees. I don't remember. Kitna struggle karu yaar. So these are like amazing canvas shoes, really comfortable. The sole is very comfortable, and the pattern to chumma. And now, okay, it's not Rivir.com, it's Rivir.in. So keep that in mind. And if you are going to buy any of these shoes, let me know that you guys got it. Let me know that you guys got it so that I can feel proud of myself and all this struggle. Okay, so the last pair of shoes, my favorite shoes. They are from this brand called Rowdy. All the South Indians will know this brand because this is the brand of our beloved star, the original Kabir Singh, Arjun Reddy, Vijay Deverakonda. So this is his brand called Rowdy. They sell everything, shoes and clothing also, and some merchandise as well. So these are high tops and these are red. These are not red. These are red. So I really love these shoes. Right from their comfort to the way they look and the pattern. It's mind blowing. And one thing to keep in mind if you're buying shoes from Rowdy is that order one size larger than your usual size, because all the other shoes are size 10. My size is size 10, 28 centimeter का foot है मेरा. But then the size 10 was too tight. I couldn't put my foot inside, so I had to exchange them for size 11. These same shoes are available in white, black and also some sky blue color. But obviously red दिख गया तो मेरे को तो red लेना ही था. And the funky thing about these is this pattern. Look, ROW, and then on this shoe VY, Rowdy. So yeah, these are my favorite among the collection that I have. Red shoes, high tops, sneakers. बहुत गर्मी है यार. Now I'll have to put all these things aside and I'll meet you guys after I get some air. Struggle. गर्मी से हालत खराब हो रही है मेरे भाई लोग. सो या शू कलेक्शन आप लोगों को दिखाना था बहुत दिनों पहले. व्हेन आई वाज एट लाइक 400 और 500 फॉलोअर्स, उस टाइम पे मैंने एक पोल रखा था, वुड यू गाइस लाइक टू वॉच दिस काइंड ऑफ अ वीडियो, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ यू वोटेड यस, एंड आई पोस्टेड अबाउट इट नाउ, आई एम पोस्टिंग अबाउट इट नाउ. तो गाइस माय डियर फूडीज, #struggle तो पक्का ही डालूंगा वीडियो के नीचे. और मेरा स्ट्रगल कितना था आप लोगों ने देख ही लिया. यू ऑल सॉ माई स्ट्रगल. सो प्लीज़, इट वोंट इवन टेक यू 20 seconds, इट विल हार्डली टेक यू 5 और 10 seconds. वीडियो पे नीचे जो ऐसा एरो जैसा बना हुआ है ना इधर नीचे, हाँ, उस पर क्लिक करो. जितने भी तुम्हारे रीसेंट मैसेजेस है सबको सेंड कर दो. अगर कोई स्पेशल फ्रेंड्स तुम्हारे दिमाग में आ रहे हैं उनको भी सेंड कर दो. प्लीज सेंड इट टू योर फ्रेंड्स बिकॉज स्ट्रगल, यू गाइस सॉ माय स्ट्रगल. Okay, so yeah, jokes apart guys, please share this video because I'm in the starting phase and I'm making these videos and you guys appear to be liking it. Last video's response was mind blowing, so I'll not drag this anymore. So guys, take care, stay home, wash your hands, help your parents with the daily chores because घर पे बैठे हो useless fellows, कुछ useful fellows बन जाओ. Okay guys, my dear foodies, take care, signing off. The Foodie Medico is signing off. I should think of some outro. Let's see. Bye.